As the internet and cloud computing have greatly improved the efficiency of services, access and protection of critical IT equipment have become crucially important. Several types of small computer rooms are critical for businesses that ensure the efficiency of operations. They are used by various industries such as sales offices, branch offices, production lines, warehouses and telecom rooms. These ICT applications typically encounter the following issues: handling and execution with multiple vendors, environmental compatibility, data and equipment security, operational reliability, and unattended facility. Is there an all-in-one range of solutions available for these problems? Enter Vertiv Energy Smart Cabinet, a fully integrated IT solution in a single or dual rack that meets all the requirements of a traditional data center. It provides a holistic solution that contains racks and enclosures, power protection, power distribution, thermal management, infrastructure management and monitoring, key elements in one solution, making it a true data center in a rack. Vertiv's advanced online double conversion rack-mounted UPS provides the highest level of protection within the cabinet to guarantee sustainable and stable operations. The smart cabinet is equipped with a rack-mounted air conditioning system that protects it from external hazards. This significantly reduces the risk of equipment breakdown. The RDU allows administrators to monitor the equipment status, while off-site IT managers will be notified through an SNMP and email alert if the system fails. Smart Cabinet comes with optional features such as the biometric access lock. It enhances the security of the IT equipment, providing access to specific authorized personnel. The smart cabinet can also be fully protected with its integrated fire alarm and extinguishing system to detect smoke at its incipient stage and extinguish it automatically. A CCTV surveillance system with HD camera records and stores data on the DVR device to ensure all the movements in the critical data center room are recorded and monitored to provide a high level of security to the room. It can be connected through a local network and can monitor the server room remotely through the internet. In the single rack model, Smart Cabinet comes with an option of redundant cooling system. There is also default mode of emergency exhaust to expel hot air and allow ambient air to enter for the equipment. This ensures that the system remains in the operating mode while waiting for the maintenance personnel to arrive on site. In case of dual rack model, if one cooling unit is down, redundant cooling systems from the adjacent rack takes care of the total IT load due to seamless joining of two racks. Smart Cabinet's modular design can be expanded to 2 racks in phases to meet various application scenarios in branch offices, sales offices, etc., and can be monitored through the main network placed at head offices. Smart Cabinet's unique cutting-edge design significantly reduces the construction period to only a couple of days. As a leading brand in small computer rooms with advanced technology and unparalleled quality, Vertiv's Smart Cabinet solution provides its customers space reduction up to 30%, energy efficiency up to 30%, and time to go live reduces by half.